guys, when the narcissist jumps to the next relationship right after yours is barely over, is that you see them trying to replace you as a parent with whoever the new supply is. And you don't miss it. You see, it's everywhere. They try it with everything, Anyway, guys, welcome to my channel. And if you're new, please subscribe. And for all my old subscribers, thank you for joining again. So you notice that they will try to replace you as a parent by inserting the new supply into the mix. This might be people that just known for a few weeks or days or whatever it is, because they hopped into. Anyway, chances are they probably already have those people lined up before your relationship was over. So, but either way, they try to insert these people into the role of of the other parent in there. I just want you to know that this show doesn't last that long. In the beginning, it will look like that, where every discussion we have with them about co-parenting the children you have together with them is about the new supply suggestions, or the new supply is going to pick up the kids, or the new supply is going to pick up them from the school. They put the new supply in every way. The new supply probably barely knows the children, of course, but they insert that person in every discussion that you're having about co-parenting. Of course, trying to get a rise out of you so that you can address it, so that you're like, well, who's this stranger, this and this and that. I just want you to know that it doesn't last that long. Just like every show they put on, like in the love bomb phase with the new supply and everything, it doesn't last that long. With time, what you realize is that they've replaced themselves with the new supply. Depending on who, how the new supply turns out or how long they stay, they replace themselves with a new supply. So now you are co-parenting with the new supply. It's a new supply that knows where your children are. It's a new supply that knows if the children are being fed. New supply that picks them up, drops them off, because they've removed themselves from the whole situation. They've replaced themselves with a new supply. And this goes back to the fact that at the end of the day, at the summary, at the bottom of everything, is that they do not care. They do not care about the children that much to look beyond themselves to take care of them, which is why the new supply is there, which is why that I've said this before, that you be grateful for the new supply. Hopefully they turn out to be okay people and don't know what's going on. That's why they're there. Be grateful for them, because usually the new supply serves as a buffer between the narcissist and your children, because they always got to be the emotional dumpster. Unfortunately, sad to say, but it might not be your children. So if you have the new supply in there, they always be that buffer most of the time, between the narcissist and your children. So with time, the narcissist, or covert narcissist, either way, replaces themselves with the new supply. The new supply is the one that you are co-parenting with, because, like I said, at the end of the day, the covert narcissist doesn't care about the children. They cannot look beyond themselves to care that much. That's why you don't stress about it in the beginning, because they do not care. They're not seeing the children. Just like everybody's a tool, that's what the new supply is to use to get some kind of rise out of you in the beginning, when they just brought them in to now shove them in front of your kids' faces. That is just an act. They get tired of it and return to default setting, because they can't help themselves. When that show is over, especially if you are not entertaining it, not answering questions, not buying into, getting angry about it, they get tired of it. And of course, they now start to look for something else to do. But like I said, what you notice in that whole arrangement is that eventually it is the new supply that you are co-parenting with. As crazy as that sounds, is the person that's a co-parenting with. Hopefully that person is an individual. You see that you end up being the person that knows where your children are, making sure things are done, because the narcissist is doing exactly what they've done when you are with them, where they are maybe physically present around the children, but they are not paying attention to the children. They don't see them as human beings. The only time they bring them up is if to use them either to show other people, oh, I'm a parent, or something to make them look good. That's about it. That's why they don't care if it's cold outside and the kids are not wearing jackets, or the kids have eaten, or they haven't bathed. As long as the children come out and they make them look, oh yeah, you have all these kids, the kids are cute and all that stuff. That's all they're looking for. Anything personally about the children or how the upkeep of the child, they don't know. And they don't care to know. So When they try to use insert the new supply to make you, they feel like they're gonna be the new dad now, and they're gonna be the new mom now. I just don't sweat it. Give it a couple of weeks, and it's over. That's it. They actually are replacing themselves with the new supply. All right, guys, get a hold of your mind, and everything's will fall into place. Like and share. Take care.